Welcome guys, guess what time it is? It's breakfast time, and today for breakfast I am making a chai protein yogurt banana boat. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I have the ingredients before me: my banana, plain Greek yogurt, my chai kachava protein powder, my homemade granola, my homemade pecan butter. I'm almost finished. It'll be gone today. I'll be making more nut butter soon. And my bee pollen. Come along with me as I make this dish. I'm mixing my kachava chai protein powder and my yogurt together, cutting my banana in half, putting my yogurt on top of my banana, and sprinkling my toppings: my granola, my pecan butter, and my bee pollen. Let's do this. A couple of spoons of my yogurt in my bowl. A smooth scoop of my protein powder in my bowl. I'm gonna mix. Alright, I've cut my banana. I've tried to make it in the form of a heart. I know it's not Sunday on Mother's Day yet. That's tomorrow, but there's a heart and a shout out to all my moms out there. Happy Mother's Day. And all my moms that have gone on, especially mine. Happy Mother's Day. Alright, I've got my yogurt mixed. I'm adding it to my banana. Alright, next is my pecan butter. I'm getting the rest of it out of my jar and putting it on the top of my yogurt. And guys, if you're looking for a specific recipe, I am not that channel. I like to use the ingredients that I have and make a super simple, healthy, delicious, and nutritious dish and have fun in the kitchen. Alright, I'm adding in my toppings. My homemade granola over the top. And my bee pollen over the top. Guys, don't be afraid to try new things. Remember, have fun in the kitchen. Just make it healthy, delicious, and nutritious. Remember to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And I will see you next time for another healthy dish. Okay, last minute decision. I decided to put a little yogurt heart on the top, and I'm going to do a drizzle of my honey over the top to complete it. There it is. Happy Mother's Day weekend, guys. Make good choices. Remember to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and I will see you next time for another healthy dish. Yum. Bye.